That's what I'm talking about right there, boy. All right, welcome to another episode of Midwest River Rat. We're out on Glen Hill Lake, very small lake, but we're gonna be fishing for brook trout and bass and panfish. Supposed to be big panfish. We got a dam over there. It's pretty deep, but we're gonna be fishing shallow with tip-ups. We got big shack, couple of heaters. It's cold. I forgot my coat, but I got my bibs. We're gonna get some holes drilled, shack warmed up, and it's about 10 below or something, but real feel is about 35 below zero. That wind chill freezes everything as soon as you're in it. And of course I froze my bait tank. I really need to get a winter bait tank. Pretty close to shore, but the deepest spot of the lake I guess gets about 40 feet. Well, that's over by the dam. We were told to fish shallow, so we'll see how shallow we are. Well, it's probably about 5 or 6 feet. All right, we got a little fathead. I'm gonna throw them down there a little bit off the bottom. Go set up some tip-ups with some small suckers. All right, how deep is she here? Wow, I'm out very deep. Holy crap. We hit the bottom. Gonna have to put a new marker on. Oh, bare hand in water, 30 below. Why we do this, I have no idea. So please stop asking me why. It's for the fish. We do it all for the fish. All right, first tip up is set. I'm gonna shut the camera off and do the next one because I don't want my batteries to freeze. I need these cameras on. Something smoked. My Hyperglide dead sticking. All right, we've just both got bites. Oh, now I'm on the bottom of the... We've both got bites at the same time. I wasn't even jigging the Hyperglide, and it was being pulled down. Oh, we got, oh, nice trout. I'm stuck on the bottom of the ice, I think. We got fish. I need to get dumping jigs everywhere. What a mess. Did a fish take my Hyperglide and peg it somewhere? What is going on? Oh, I'm on a log. There's a log right below me. That is wonderful. I wonder if I can reach it with my scoop. That is stupid. That sucks. That's great for Hyperglides. Nice. That's awesome. I need to get bait in the water, but I have bait on a tree. This is stupid. I'm hung up ice fishing. All right, I might lose this bait. That sucks, man. Tree, it's like right here next to my hole, so it's not right below me, but the Hyperglides go sideways.
They go quite a ways.
Of course, the shovel's not actually gonna fit. That really sucks if I get a fish and it wants to wrap around that tree. Wow, what are the chances? I didn't even know there was a tree there. What are the chances I drill? I should have looked in the hole. Yeah, it's going straight that way, and it's like right here.
I guess we weren't wrong. We knew it would be on structure somewhere. I didn't necessarily plan on being right on top of structure, but...
At least I'm not like right above the thing.
You got it?
I don't know. No, I don't. My reel's not. Oh, it's wrapped around my knob. Oh my goodness. That slammed it. I got a bite on a spoon, and I'm not paying attention. Maybe he'll come back. He had it pretty good though. They seem to be hitting when it's not moving though, so maybe I should stop jigging it so much. Oh, look what he did though. Or I could have done that jigging. No, he bent a hook out. These hooks must not be that strong. Oh no, they ain't. Wow, I want to get a different treble on that. I wonder if I have any that are better. Wet hand is not the thing to have out there right now. We got a hump coming out. I'll follow you. So we had a fish on this tip up, was spinning it so fast his flag never came up, but this time it did. I don't know if you're gonna fit it through that hole though. You there?
Yep. I'm gonna go grab the ice scoop.
Yeah. Yours inside the door here? Bass.
Yep.
Very nice. Two fish. That's what I call better than nothing. What'd you have on that? A sucker or a fathead?
Shiner.
Oh, shiner. Sweet. That's awesome. Alright, that's awesome. Even though I ain't got a fish, I got some bites. And we have two fish on the ice. Trying different things. We'll see what happens. The really shallow one, it's like 2 or 3 feet of water. Nothing. Well, at least I had a flag. So I'm gonna go jig over in this hole deeper and see how long my GoPro batteries last in this wind. Who will last longer, me or the batteries? My hole is freezing as I'm trying to get my jig down. Okay, that's enough. We're going back to the shack. Well, we tried. We got a couple of fish. I didn't get any. Yeah.
I just give it a minute, let it run.
He's not taking any line. I'm gonna pull a little out. Oh, now it's going. It stopped again. I got a fish. Finally. Get the other camera out again. All right, we're packing up. I just did my intro already. Or outro, I mean. You can hardly see me. But I got a fish. A trout. I'm gonna try to get some light. There we go. That's really bright. Nice little brook trout, right? They're brookies, right?
Yeah.
It might be even be the same one because there ain't been much under us. And this flag went off twice while we were packing up. And the second time he ate it. So I didn't get skunked. Oh, and he spat the hook while I was getting my pliers out. Sweet. Try to get a better look at him. Sweet. All right, peace out.